Halo everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ruang Dedikasi, a channel to dedicate. Selamat datang kembali di channel saya, Ruang Dedikasi, sebuah channel pengabdian untuk terhubung dengan dunia melalui kemampuan berbahasa. Dengan saya, Husen, Sibule Hitam manis dari Flores. Well, today we are going to see how Indonesian people pronounce or spell their Indonesian. Bahasa Indonesia. We are going to learn a really simple Indonesian bahasa. What is it? Yeah, that's right. Indonesian alphabet. Huruf Indonesia. How Indonesian people spell their alphabets. Do you know them? Okay, don't worry, I'm going to tell you. So please kindly repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's all. How do you feel? Aha, you can watch this video again and again until you can spell, until you can pronounce them perfectly. So, if you want to know more about Indonesia, about Bahasa Indonesia, please kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and of course, share. To motivate me, to inspire me for creating simple Indonesian lessons for you. Terima kasih. See you again in the next feature of my videos. Sampai jumpa kembali di video saya berikutnya. Bye bye. Kamsahamnida.